Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the APK Time alternative app store to your Fire Stick in 2026. The whole process will be pretty easy, and it's gonna take you only a couple of moments. And the very first step is you need to get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. To do so, we need to go to search on the Fire TV Stick, so let's do it together. Go and open the search bar. Open it and start typing downloader now on the search. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on downloader, and there's the app, which you need to get to your device. But then after you've got downloader, it's not over yet, because still you need to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader on the Fire Stick, we'll go to the settings. So here is the button with a gear icon. I'll click on it and go to my Fire TV now. You open it up as well, and here you'll need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So go back and you will finally see the developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then head into install unknown apps. And from here, what you have to do is just locate downloader and make sure to turn the option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So the next step is we go back to a list of apps on your device. There it is. Let's open it together. And here is the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Poland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you'll get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on the Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on the device, open it, and it's time to start using the downloader now. So open it up as well. Then just go and open the search bar at the very top. And now in here we need to enter a link, which will be apktime.com. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's APK Time. Just enter the whole link, just as you can see on my screen, and then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. Then this web page is going to open up. Scroll to the very bottom and click here on that APK Time word. Click on it, then scroll down again. Keep scrolling until you see the official website button. Click it as well, and then click on APK Time Original APK. And the download of the app has started now. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds. Then click Install and wait until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click on Open yet. Instead, it's better to press Done, as this way you get the option to delete the installation files. So click on Delete and then delete once again. Then we actually need to go to Settings one more time. So go to that button with a gear icon, scroll down, open My FireTV, head to Developer Options, install unknown apps, and this time you have to turn that option on for APK Time. So that's what we need. Then let's go and take a look at the list of applications on your device. Right here, open it, and there at the bottom you'll see the APK Time now. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of Nord totally for free. Then you can go and open the APK Time application. And from here, you can get access to loads of amazing apps. And you can browse them by categories, such as top applications, entertainment, essentials, VPNs, live TV, music, players and browsers, sports, tools, and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye bye.